Hi, good day to all. Myself, Ms. Arpita, faculty of Button Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya Sainik as well as RMS classes. Well, my dear kids, so far we have completed with all chapter. Okay, we have done with all chapter series test 2, that is chapter wise test 2. Now we'll move on to a mock test series. What is this mock test series? It is a set of all complete questions. Okay, whatever the complete, okay, all the chapter, it includes the question answers from all the chapters. See why this is given for you. This is given for you to boost up your energy. Okay, see, yes, I'll agree the question paper is too tricky. Why? Because the day first I have said that getting into your dream school is not so easy. Okay, to compete with the others. See, all over India, this Sainik exam is for all over India. You need to compete with them, right? So you have to prepare for a tough questions. Now if we give the easy, you will score good marks here, and then you will be appreciated by your friends as well as parents. But you get these good marks by your in your school, okay, and got selected, you will be appreciated by all. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to what you have to keep on practicing that, you have to keep on practicing that. Okay, so what you have to do now, you have to keep on practicing that. So the test mock test series has been given for you. Yesterday in the yesterday you have written the test for series, okay, mock test series. So let us discuss the answer for those series now. Okay, let us discuss the answer for this now, how it will be given. Okay, let us discuss. Now we'll discuss intelligent test. Hope you all know intelligent test as under which one? Section 2. Okay, intelligence is under the section 2. It contains 25 marks, 25 question into 2. Okay, 25 question, each carries 2 marks. So it is totally for 50 marks. And the time allotment is given for this paper is nothing but it is only 30 minutes, that is meant by your half an hour. Okay, it is very easy to solve. If you remember what we have solved in the previous classes and all, it is very easy to solve. Okay, the first question is find the missing term relation to 26 to 37 which has the ratio of 9 is to 37 is to 26. How to solve this? See here, they have given the series is nothing but this one. So you have to find out the missing same relation. Let us solve now. See, the answer for this is 51. How it is 51 shall we discuss? So it is for option B. How it is C? How it is B? Let us discuss now. See, 19 into 2. What is the answer? 19 into 2. What is the answer? It is 38. Isn't it? 19 into 2 is 38. Minus 1 will get 37, isn't it? See, 19 into 2 is 38. So 38 minus 1, that is 19 into 2 minus 1 is equals to 31. Okay, 37, this one. Okay, so you have to find out for 26. Okay, 26, 26 into 2 minus 1. What is the answer? 26 into 2, 26 into 2. What is the answer for 26 into 2? Let us solve that now. See, 26 into 2. 26 into 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 1 carry, 2 2 are 4 plus 1, 5. 52. Okay, 52 minus 1 is equals to 51. Which is the option? Option A 52, option C. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option B is your correct answer. Understood now? You have to find out the same term. Before finding the same term, you have to know the relationship for first two term. I have got 30, 19 and 27. 19 into 2 is 38 in the same way. For similarly for 26. See, don't change the number. If I multiplied by 2, multiply by 2 itself. Multiplied 1, multiplied by 1 itself. This is about your the first answer. Understood? Yes. We'll move on to the second answer now. We'll move on to the second question. That is, look at your question. Find the missing term Find the missing number in the given series. So you have to find out the missing term in the given series below. What are your series? That your series contains 0, 6, 11, 21, 36, and then 56. So you have to find out the next one. Okay. How this will be finded? Let us see. First one, the given series is with the how to find out the given series now. See here, given term is 6, 11, 6 plus 5. Okay, I'll take down from here. 6 plus 5. How much it is? It is 11. Okay, 11. 6 plus 5, it is 11. And then 11 and then 10. 11, 11 and 11, 36 plus 20. Hence, the step is added by the number. So, let us do it the sequence. 36 plus 10, 36 plus 10 is equals to 21, 21 and then 56, 56. Okay, next one, 56 is it plus 15 is equals to 36. Therefore, 25 is equals to 31. So, which type of this? The next series number is sequence will be 31. The next series will be 31. Which one is the option? 81. 81 is in the option B. Therefore, it is option B. So, it is which type of that is successive number of the given series. It is the successive number of the given series. Understood? Therefore, which one is the answer now? Let's see. First, take down this two number, that is 16 and then 11. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. Add how much is to be for 21. 11 plus which one? 11 plus 11. It is 22. Okay, yes, 11 plus 11 will get 20. 11 plus 10 will get again add. Keep on adding the numbers. Which number is to be added? 56 plus 25. What is the answer? 56 plus 25. 6 plus 1, 11, and then it is 5, 7. So you should keep on adding the numbers. See, for 6 to become 11, I have added 5. 11 to become 21, I have added 11. And then 21 to become the 36, I have added this much. And then 55 to become, I should add 25 to become. So it is called a successive given series. Therefore, option B is your answer. Understood? Yes. The next one, this one question belongs to series chapter. The next question, find out the term which does not belongs to the group. Look at here, you should find out which does not belongs to the group. So this question is from which chapter? That is classification. You should take out which does not belongs to the group. This question is from classification. What does classification says? It tells to find out which does not belongs to the group. Which one is the answer? See, road crossing here also it is all given by here that is related to road, isn't it? That is traffic or road something. See, well, it is given while crossing the road, and then you should not slide and all, and then danger. Okay, these symbols are related to traffic. Okay, these symbols are related to traffic or some road issues. Okay, for or road. But see, the first one is fire. Any fire is given in the traffic rules? Any fire? No. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option A is your answer. The rest are all related to the traffic rules. The rest are all related to traffic or some related to road. But option A, it is fire. It does not belong. Therefore, which one is the answer? Option A is your answer. Understood? Yes, this question is belongs to classification chapter. Yes, we'll move on to the fourth 104. That is, see, this question is also, this question, let us see, find out which of the following, which among the alternative A, B, C, D which replace the question mark. So you have to replace this question mark. Yes guys, which one will replace? See, obviously you should replace this is nothing but you will get should round. To replace this one, it should be getting like this one. Which will replace option A? No. Why? Because it is ended downwards. Option B? Yes. See, if I place here, it will be in the same one. So you have to replace. Look at this one. Therefore, which one you have to do? So this one is nothing but figure completion series. This is nothing but your figure completion series. You have to list down and then you have to take down which does not belongs to, which fits the diagram. Okay, which fits the, obviously if round came down it will be so its round fits here. If it fits, we'll get a complete diagram of your spider web. Therefore, which one? Option B is your answer. Understood? Yes. We'll move on to the next question. The next question is, see this question, Nitin ranks 88, okay, Nitin ranks 8 from the top of class 49, okay, and then what is the rank from? So this question is from which chapter? This question is from the chapter called ranking test, okay, this question is from the chapter called ranking test. Which one? Nitin ranks 8 from, there are how many members in the class? So there are 49 total members. There are 49 members in the class. So Nitin ranks 18 from the top. Okay, 18 minus that 18 now. Okay, 49 minus 18. What is the answer? 9. It is 31st. So nothing is which one? Is 36 from the last. They are asking from the last. Therefore, which is the option? Therefore, option C is your option. There are totally 49 members in the student. So, Nitin is from 18th. Okay, Nitin is from 18th. So, minus that 2 from the last, you will get option C. That is 31 is your option. Understood? This question is from ranking test chapter. The next question, look at the next question now. If plus means minus, let us see this chapter is from which chapter? This question is from which chapter now? Can you able to find out? This question is from mathematical operation. This question is from the chapter called mathematical operation. Let us see the data first. Let us see the data. See, if plus means it is into, minus means it is plus, into means it is division, and then division means it is minus. So you have to apply for 16 into 3 plus 5 minus 2 divided by 4. This is your answer. So replace the data. 16 into means division, and then plus means into 5, minus means it is plus 2, division. Okay, division means into 4. Okay, now do it first. 16 divided by 5 plus 2 into 4. 16 divided by 5. What is there? First you have 16, no, 3. So you have to write here 3. 16 divided by 3. What is the answer? 16 divided by 3. 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 1 remainder. So it will go completely. So 7 into 4, 32. 32 divided by 16. So it is 9. It will get 4. Which one is the answer? Therefore, we will get the option A, that is 9. Apply BODMAS rule. Apply BODMAS rule and start solving the question. So which one you will get? You will get option 9. Simplify the answer. Okay, 16 by 3 and then 5 into 16 by 3. What is the answer? You will get, find out that answer, and then 15 into 2, 30 into 2, and then 2 into 8, that is 4, and final get the answer. You will get option 9. Therefore, which one is the answer? Option A is your answer. This is how you have to solve. And the next question is, look at the diagram. From the figure X embedded in any one of 4 alternative A, B, C, find the alternative which replace the X mark. You have to replace this X mark. So which one is the answer? This is also, this chapter is also from which chapter? This is also from completing series. This is also series completion chapter. Series completion chapter. So you have to replace that question mark. Okay, therefore which one is the answer? Therefore option C is your answer. Which one? Therefore option C is your answer. You have to replace this question mark. That's all. Okay, this is how we have to solve. The next question, look at the next question. The next question is, see, if plus means division, okay, this is also from which chapter? This is also from mathematical operation. This chapter is also, this question is also from which chapter? That is mathematical operation. This question is from mathematical operation. See, if plus means division, if plus means division, division means minus, and then minus means into, into means plus, then find out the answer. For your given is 26 plus 5 in plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2 and then into 8. Apply the formula. Okay, apply this one, apply everything. 12 instead of plus, divide by 6, and then division, in the place of division you have to minus 3, and then minus you have to replace by into, and then into means it is plus 8. Okay, 6 minus 3, 2 into 8, it is 3 into 6 into 8, 18 in, okay, apply BODMAS rule. So you'll get the answer, it is 4. You'll get the answer, it is 4. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option C is your answer, that is 4. Apply BODMAS rule. Apply for the central letters. You apply the BODMAS rule and get the answer. You will get the answer as it is option C, that is 4. This is how you have to solve. The next question. If you see the problem X is a mirror image, look at now. If you see the problem X is in the mirror, which figure out of figure will the mirror image? Yes, we have learned the chapter called mirror image. So this question is from which chapter? This question is from the chapter called mirror image. Okay, this question is from the chapter called mirror image. You have to find out the mirror image of this diagram. So obviously I have said that in the mirror image always the object is formed in the opposite. Whatever the diagram is given, it will be opposite to that. Obviously it will be it will become right, will become left, and left will become right. Which one is the answer now? Let me see the answer. Which one is the answer now? So it is, which one is the answer? So it is option B is your answer. Which one? Option B is your answer. Understood? Any doubts in this now? So mirror image, option B is your answer. What is the concept of the mirror image? In the mirror image, the left figure right on the left and the left figure falls on the left. This is the concept of your mirror image. When solving the chapters on mirror image question answers, I have discussed that. What is the theory of the mirror image? If we take this hand in the show, in the hand is in the front of mirror, it will show us like that. Right become left and the left will become right. This is about your mirror image. Any doubts? Yes, this is how you have to first analyze the question is from which chapter, and then you have to solve. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. The next question, choose the word least like other words in the group. So you have to choose the word which is like other word. See, student, and then which one? Student, mechanic, lawyer. So these are all called as professional. Okay. See, student is a who is under the learning process. Okay. Mechanic is already learned and is one the profession, and lawyer is or she also engineering. So student is still in the learning process. This is also from, therefore option A is your answer. Understood now? This is how we have to solve the question answers from. The next question. The next question, see, look at the question. If you see the problem figure, mirror, dotted line, which out, find out the figures A, B, C, D will be mirror image of X. So you have to find out the mirror image of X now. So dotted line. So dotted line represents which one? The dotted line represents here. The dotted line is nothing but you have to find out the mirror image of this answer. So you have to find out the mirror image of the diagram. Okay. So listen here, what is the mirror image of that? Obviously, I have said that if you hold this, you will be given. It is very easy. This question is from the chapter called mirror image. This question is from the chapter called mirror image. Student, listen to me. The very easy concept. If you is of ways the diagram or will be opposite to that. That is meant by your figure diagram. So look at the mirror image. It should come this side. This one should face this side. So which one is the correct answer now? Yes, it is option A here. See, it has become opposite to that. The lines also. That is what if you raise your hand in the front of mirror, it will show us the left. That this is called as the image. In the mirror image, the concept is like that only. The right will become the left, left will become the right. Therefore, which one is the answer now? Therefore, option A is your answer. And this question is from which chapter? This question is from mirror image chapter. The next question. The next question, choose the word which can be formed in the given below. So you have to we have to form one word. Okay. See, choose the word which can be formed from the word. See, in this word you can form sculpture. Can you find the sculpture? S C U L L is there? No, sculpture is not the answer. And then vulture L and then rupture. So RUTURE. So easily I can find out CFRFRA and TURE. So I can easily find out from the fracture. See what this is nothing but they will give one word. Okay, for example, they will give one word. Okay, they will give one word. So in that word, you have to form some possible word. Okay, you have to form the possible word. So what you have to check here, you have to check each and R is present in this, yes. U is present in that, yes. So you have to check each and every letter in the given word, compare those two and then correct answer. See, S, C, L. L is given, no. So it is wrong. And then T, R, U, P. P is given, no. So vulture, realism. So which one is all the letters present? That is factor. This is how you have to find out this type of question. And the next one is in all the direction, if all directions are rotated by clockwise 90 degree. If it is like tense, which this particular question is from which chapter? That is direction sense test. We have learned a chapter called that is direction sense test. Okay, you have to find out this answer. Look at now, if all the direction is rotated by 90 degree. Okay, if all the direction is rotated by 90 degree and then that is the angle is not changed to the east or to the northern, what is the place becomes? So and your options are, what are your options? That is southeast, northwest and then southeast and then southwest. What is the answer now? Look at that is, which one can you guess? All the direction are rotated in 90 degree. What is the clockwise now? Clockwise is nothing but which one? Anti-clockwise and clockwise. It is here clockwise. It is all moved in which direction? That is all will move in all direction 90 degree. That is north is changed to the west. Okay, north is changed to the west. Obviously, then it should be changed to the north. Which will come on the northwest places? Northwest. Where is northwest now? See, south, north, east, west, north, south. Which will come on the northwest now? Obviously, it is southwest. Therefore, option A is your answer. This particular chapter is from which question? This particular question is from direction senses chapter. Any doubt up to now? Yes, this is how we have to solve. The next question. The next question is, let us see the next question now. See the next question, that is 114. Which of the following diagram, which of the alternative it would face the question mark? Yes, so obviously we have to find out, and this question is also from which chapter? This question is also from, let us, series completion, and it belongs to the non-verbal. It is belongs to a series and series completion, that is figure series. You have to complete the series of this figure. So here see, you have to complete this diagram and you have to complete those things. Which one? If I find out option A, the round, it will come down, so it is wrong. Option B, it is also wrong. So which one? So the round should face towards which now? The round should face towards upward. So which one I should go now? I should go with option, which one? Option, yes, it is option C is your answer. Which one is your answer? That is option C is your answer. See, if I place this, it will be placed here and the diagram is here. Therefore, option C is your answer. To solve this particular type of question, you have to see the rotation. You have to see the rotation, whether it is rotating in clockwise direction or whether it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. You have to see this and you have to answer. See, to solve this, it is very important. Why this session is given for you? To check the concentration of the student. Why this session is given for you? To check the concentration of the student. And then the next question, let us see the next question now. See, which one is given in the mirror? Yes, see, what is the mirror image of share? Okay. Oh, sorry, 1115, right? Yes, 1150. Choose the word which is like to the other group. So choose the word which is like in the others group. You have to choose Earth, Sun, Mercury, and then Jupiter. See which one is the answer now. Which choose the word least like other word, at least like the other words in the group. See, Sun, Earth, Mercury, and then this are all called as planets. Earth and then Sun is a planet. So this one, therefore, which one is the answer? Option B is your answer. The rest are all called as planets, and then Sun is not a planet among the group. So this one, which one is the answer? Option B is your answer. Look at the next question. The next question is, choose the alternative will become the water image. Yes. So in this question, you have to find out the water image. See, so far we have solved the question based on mirror image. Okay, we have solved the questions on mirror image. Let us see what is the water image of that. Okay, see, the given word is HR26420. This is your word. So you have to find out the answer for that. So water image always forms from right to left. Okay, it will be always formed here. So let us find out the water image. First O. Okay, 2 4 6 2 R H. Therefore it is water image. See, it will be like this is nothing but it will show like this one. Okay, water image. If I place anything on the water, let you have to see that the image. Okay, it is like blind one, it is like slighted. So it is option. Which one is your option? That is option B is your answer. Water image is nothing but if I place anything is here, it will be slightly moved upwards or it will be like that. Yes, it is way reverse of that. If I place this phone, if I place anything on the phone here, it will be inverted of that. Okay, it will be inverted of that. This is the concept of your water image. And the next question, and the next question is nothing but, see, if the word is given in the mirror image, you have to find out the mirror image of share. Yes, obviously find out the mirror image of share. We all know that I have taught you how to write the letters of mirror image. How to write in the English alphabet. There are 26 alphabet. There you have to find out the each and every mirror image. How to write? Yes, now yes. CSHRAE. That is option. Which one? R is here forward, so it is also wrong. R is here facing this side, and then E, and then H. So it is rho, so SH low. Therefore, it is option A. What is the mirror image of the share? It is SHRE. So to solve this, you have to throw with mirror image of all the letters. Okay, if you miss the any session, please look at the video so that you will be getting the answer. So we have some mirror image. S is written like this, and H is written like this, and A, and then R is written like this. This are the mirror image words of the given. See this. By other options are not correct. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option A is your answer. The next one, though the first, so this question, see, if school is for, if school is for education, then bank is for which one? See, school gives education, bank gives loan. Yes, very good. And this question is from which chapter? This question is from analogy. In the analogy, you have to find out the relation. Two words will be given. In the same way, you have to find out the relationship for third word. Yes, in the school, they'll give education. See, in the game, they'll give ATM also, they'll give locker also, they'll give chuck also. But you have to see, in the school, they'll give books. So what they are telling, what they will provide. Okay, what they will provide. School provide education. In the same way, bank provide, which one? Bank provide loan. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option C is your answer. Understood how to solve the question answers from this one? Yes. The next question is, okay, sorry, 1 minute. Next question, if you fold this transparent paper sheet dotted line, figure X and alternative figure ABCD, what you will get? Yes, this is called, this chapter will call it as punch hole pattern. Punched hole pattern. This chapter will call it as punch hole pattern or paper folding or paper folding. What this is nothing but they are asking, the dotted line represent where I need to fold the paper. Okay, dotted line represent where I should need to fold the paper. So the diagram is given like this. If I fold this paper, what diagram I will get? What diagram I will get? Which diagram you will get? This diagram? No. If I fold this, it will lie on that. So which one you'll get? That is, it is, you will get option A, no. Option B, no. They both are lie together. If I fold that, take a sheet, you should not able to take a sheet of paper to carry to the example. So you have to find out like that itself. So see, yes, it will, the paper will overlap on each side, isn't it? If I fold the paper, so one paper will fall on that. So it will be like this. Therefore, which one is the answer? That is option B is your answer. Okay, therefore option D is your answer. If I fold a paper, it will lie together, so it will mark the sheet. Therefore, which one is it? So, hope you all understood. The next question, see, in a class of boys, stands in a single line. Okay, all class of boys will stand in a single boy, and one boy is 19th in order from both the ends. Okay, this one is the boys of line, and the one boy is from 19th in order from the both the ends. Okay, from both the ends. How many boys are there in the row? Okay, how many boys are there in the row? Yes, see, so how there are 19. So 19 plus 19. Okay, 19 from plus 19. 19 plus 19, that is equals to 38. Hope you all agree. Okay, 9, see, 19 plus 19, 9, 9, 18, 1 carry 338. Okay, so totally in a line there are 38 members. Okay, 38 members are there in a class. So E is minus 1. Minus 1 will get 37. So he is standing 37th. He is in which boy is in the 19th from order. So take 19 from both the ends minus 1. This is a formula. You have to add from the left and then right. Okay, add the total number of students and then plus 1, you will get 19. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option B is your answer. Understood now? Yes. The next question, that is 121 question. In the figure among figures ABCD, which could replace the question mark? Yes. Here also you have this all question is given like this itself. It is all like completing your series. It is very easy. See, most of the questions are repeated from this chapter. So you have to replace this diagram. See here, I should get blank. The first one, no. The second one, second one. See, look at the first one. If I fill here, yes, it is like same. And then third one, no. Second one is obviously no. Let us check with the fourth one now. Let us check with the fourth one. So yes, even this one, no. You see, if I go this, if I fill this, it will not take. So it will not make the complete diagram. So which one is your answer? That is option A. See here, if I fill that here and it will be like that. It is opposite to side. It is also the diagram itself wrong. It is also opposite to side. So if I fill this by, therefore option A is your answer. Which one? Option A is your answer. Understood? This is how we have to solve the question answers based on this chapter. That is what we keep on telling, as if you are thinking the question paper will be not so easy. Yes, the next question is like also logical. And then see, is car is to petrol and TV is to, yes, what is the answer now? Car runs from the petrol and the television runs from the, yes, it is obviously electricity. You have, so it is the question from the analogy chapter. This question is from which chapter? This question is from analogy chapter. If the car runs from petrol, okay, car runs from petrol. In the same way, television runs from which one? Electricity. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option D is your answer. Okay, understood now. The next one, the next one, see, yes, this question is from which chapter? This question, we all know that this question is from which one? Logical Venn diagram. This question is from the chapter called logical Venn diagram. We all saw all logical Venn diagram. This particular chapter question is from logical Venn diagram. Okay, this question is from logical Venn diagram. Let us look at that. Which of the following indicates the best relationship? Okay, travels, train, and then bus. Okay, so see, travel, train, and bus. We can travelers, train, bus. See, travelers, train, bus. No, it is all. If everything is different, you should use this. This anyone is similar, and this one no. So see, let us see now. See, this is travelers. They can travel by train or they can travel by bus. Okay, this is traveler. This is traveler. This is though all related to one thing. So I'll go over the option C. It is now, it is separate. It is totally wrong. Why? Because this option is completely different. If they given three or completely different, then we can use that. This one, travelers, train, bus. So one after one. So otherwise, see, travelers, they can travel through bus also, and then they can travel through train also. This is how we have to answer. Therefore, which one is the answer? Therefore, option C is your answer. Understood now? Yes, this is how we have to solve the question answers in the exam. Okay, you should not take much time. There is only half an hour to do. Choose the word at least in the other words in the group. Okay, see, you have to choose the word picture, book, scenery. Okay, see how to have to choose here also, like you have to choose the odd one out. Picture, poster, book. See, book, take a book. I can see the picture. I can see the see. Can you see the posture in the book? Posture is nothing but like see anything which is given to advertisement like that. This posture will be not given in the book. They will be given. See, book contains picture and then scenery and then posture will be not given. Therefore, which one? Option B is your answer. This is how we have to solve. And the next question, the last question, If you see the diagram is, find out the figures A, B, C, D, find out the A, B, C, D, okay, which will replace the mirror image of X. So what is meant by, if dotted line, if they given the dotted line after like this, see after the diagram, if they give the dotted line, it understood that you have to find out the mirror image. So you have to find out the mirror image of that. See, this is your mirror image. Yes, in the mirror image it is right. What is the concept of mirror image? Left becomes right and then right becomes left. So here it should be come here, okay. And this one, why it is not, the diagram is given, so it is not an answer. Yes, this one, both are at the one side, so it is not the option. Yes, see here it has become this side, and this one, yes, this one is the correct answer. Here all are overlap, this one is empty, therefore which one is the answer? Therefore option C is your answer. Any doubt in this? How, what is the concept? The left will become right and the right will become left. See here, this one is, so here it will be overlap two sides, it is not answer. It is here, the both are empty sides, it does not. See here it is a circle and it is triangle, and it is triangle, it is circle, they have interchanged. So therefore which one is the answer? Therefore option C is your answer. Understood? Any doubt now? This is the question and solutions for your, which one? This is the solutions for, this is the solutions for Scenic Intelligence Test section 2. See students, so far we have studied all the chapter: analogy, classification, series, coding, decoding, and then ranking test, directions test, and then rearrangement, and then mathematical operation, blood relation, like this. See, if I have taught all the chapters, isn't it? From starting analogy to I have taught all the chapters till non-verbal test. They will not give all the questions. See, look at this question paper. Any questions is from blood relation? Intelligent. Any question is from blood relations? No. And any questions from series? Yes, I have got series. Any questions from coding and decoding? No. See, this is what they can give: one questions or two questions from the same chapter, or three questions from the same chapter, or they might have not given the any question from question chapter. This is how. See, more in this question paper, most question are from the non-verbal. We all know that what is meant by non-verbal. Non-verbal is nothing but which consists of only figures and diagram. We have to choose only figures and diagrams. Okay. Most of the questions are from the non-verbal itself. And then see, to solve this, you have to go through each and every options first. What is my wish? My suggestion is to solve the question answers based on this chapter. You have to go through each and every question and go through the option twice. See, there are only half an hour is the time allotment given for your exam. You don't have patience to check whether it is right or wrong. So you have to, why this mock test is given? So it is boost up your energy. So if you solve 20 mock tests or 15 mock tests, you will be getting an idea how the question will be arising. So this test is given. So hope you all understood. This is, see, this we are not given from any out of question, or we are not given from out of your syllabus. No, whatever we have taught, given the same concept, isn't it? Whatever we have given it the same concept, but the question might be different. So what I have, say ma'am taught +1, ma'am taught -1. No, the question will be different. They have might be interchange the question. Mirror image. Most of the question are from in this question paper is from mirror image. And listen here, this question paper is given in 2019. See, your seniors, the people who are selected have written this paper. Might have said that, ma'am, idun marche illa ma'am, you are not done in this tuition, ma'am, you are good. No, they have written. Okay, so what you have to, just now you are like everyone's are like started to playing, so from here just keep on solving this. Okay, hope you all understood. This is the solution session for intelligent test. Hope you all understood. Thank you for attending this session. If you have any doubt, you can contact your, and the video will be uploaded in the Button Tutorials app, and it will be uploaded in the YouTube too. And if you have any session, any doubt, you can message to this number or you can contact to this number. Thank you all.